Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across an issue on the Safari web browser where your connection is not private. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Easiest thing to do would be just to refresh the web page and see if that clears up the problem. You also want to check your date and time settings up in your system menu bar and make sure they're correct as well. If not, you may have to select the Apple icon in the menu bar and select System Settings. On the left panel, you're going to select General, and then on the right side, scroll down and select Date and Time. And if your date and time settings are wrong, select the Set option and then enter in your correct date and time settings. And then hopefully that would be able to resolve the issue. If all else fails, you might want to restart your computer entirely, and then you may want to check for updates as well. So if you open up the Apple menu again and select System Settings, and this time if you select the General tab and then Software Update on the right, you can go ahead and check for updates up here at the top. There should be a check for update button, and hopefully that should be able to resolve the problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.